This is Lockpick Silva here, and I have a SCHLAGE Everest lock, and I'm going to try to lockpick it. Now, these type of locks, it has a little pin in the bottom. Every key, Everest key, has this little groove on the side. And once you insert the key, that pin will lift inside the lock. It's the only way it'll open. If it would not have this groove, it would not open, because the only way you can open this lock is through that groove. So I'm going to try to pick it. I grab the tension wrench, and real thin tension wrench, and I bend it so it can fit in here. And I'm going to try to rake it. Let's see if I can do it. Okay. Now, these are security pins. So what I'm doing, I'm jiggling the rake lockpick so I can set the pins. Okay, here it goes. Got it open. Okay. Everest SCHLAGE bolts are very good, but you can still pick them. Be safe and do not steal.